Ano to? Ano to?
Natay tol, lolo.
STO1 kasot pelitay.
Na-trap siya, na-trap.
Lo,
Yun. Ito. Na nag-grab.
Pag nisagin yung ganyan ba? Again, Ars!
Lo, hindi kayo.
what's happening right now? I can't think of anything in this world.
It was suffered a 7.1 magnitude earthquake.
Plus exorcism. Sir, what do you think happened today?
Was well very distracting.
Okay, it's okay.
It's so devastating, and so the building was shaking very well, and we don't know what to do, and so very dangerous. So guys, we must be attentive and we see this guy has encountered very dangerous.
What do you think happened today, sir?
It was all of a sudden. It happened so fast. I don't know really what happened. It's like a flash, but scary. Right now I'm frightened. I'm sorry I cannot talk because I'm really scared.
Kumakaya? Ano nangyari na?
Ano nangyari?
May Isa pa!
May isa pa? Wag ka may klaro mo explain.
Bigla lang ako.
Ano?
Ano to?
Ano to? Bakit? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Okay lang yan, tol. Okay lang yan, tol. Okay lang yan. Oh, ano yan?
Ano yan? Ay, sorry, tol.